Let me hold it.
Let me turn on the flash. Oh, it is.
Hey, you see these people at the top up here? Is that ranger approved up there?
I think it's okay as long as you don't get on the point.
Oh, okay.
It seems to be his big concern.
Can you get down from it?
No.
Take a picture? You're too high.
I could probably do it.
From up that. Of us. Careful.
Like that?
Careful, it doesn't fall on the person's head.
If it does. Uh-huh. How about like that? Sorry.
A giant next to me get down.
That's a great picture right there.
Why are the clouds not moving? No, I mean, they're not moving. They're just moving very
Ready?
Is that close enough? Can you get closer?
There.
Every year we made some new friends.
We could go and reset. Let's go. I don't want to get Brenda to talk. Are you still recording?
Hold on a second. You don't see it like come up over the horizon or no?
He said 12 minutes.
What do you mean 12 minutes? So
When he left.
yeah, he said 5:38, so that's 5 minutes. Right?
What time is it?
5:33.